Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Richard and today I wanted to share with you some really crazy news coming out about the Go playing AI AlphaGo. Now if you haven't heard about AlphaGo before, it's an artificial intelligence built by the Deepmind company that's owned by Google that plays a game called Go, which involves placing black and white stones on a board and you try and capture territory with them. I've not played much, so I don't really know how to explain it that well. Basically, AlphaGo learned how to play Go by being given the rules, being given a lot of training data to work on to learn how to people to play, and over the course of it was able to beat several high-ranking players in the Go playing world, and even until it eventually beat the #1 ranked player in the world of Go. Now the crazy news surrounds Deepmind's announcement around the latest version of AlphaGo, AlphaGo Zero. The reason this news is crazy is for several reasons. First off, AlphaGo Zero was only shown the rules of Go and was given zero training data. Basically, it wasn't given a chance to learn how others played. It was only showed these are the rules, play yourself. After knowing only the rules and playing itself, it took only 3 single days to get to the same level as the first version of AlphaGo, 21 days to get to the same level as the version that beat Lee Sedol, and 40 days, a little over a month, to beat the master version that trounced everyone at the Future of Go Summit earlier this year. Just 40 days to get to a better level than the previous version of AlphaGo, and that version of AlphaGo had training data and several months of time to actually learn, and that version used a bit more computing power as well, so AlphaGo Zero uses less computing power than the previous versions of AlphaGo. After those 40 days of training, AlphaGo Zero was able to beat the previous version of AlphaGo, AlphaGo Master, 100-0 in games of Go. This is freaking crazy. It gets crazier. AlphaGo Zero uses fewer inputs. It only has one neural network compared to the 2 that the previous versions use, and it relies solely on its neural networks and doesn't predict who's going to win based on the current board position. And this entire thing is crazy. Basically, the main thing is they've taken the human information element out of it learning, and the applications of this are staggering, because if you can train an AI to do something just on the rules and simple training information, you can apply it to nearly any situation and have it learn how to react pretty much the way that a human would do. I mean, if you were to learn how to play Go, you'd be shown these are the rules, this is the board and the stones, let's play. And that's basically what AlphaGo Zero has done, and it's it took only 4 days to beat the master version of the previous version of AlphaGo that beat the top player of the world, and it's crazy. Anyway, I wanted to share that with all of you. If you want to see more from me in the future, please hit subscribe and I'll put more videos around my face. And if you want to support me, I am on Patreon, link in the description below. Bye everyone.